Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, April 27th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Uh, Very interesting day today. Also, rather frustrating as always, but all the action was in our portfolio, not in the Dow. I'm showing you the Dow here. It opened lower. Uh, Tried to rally here to go positive and then sold off at the end, finishing the day up 3 points. So there's not much to talk about there. There's a lot to talk about with our portfolio. We came in with 24 positions today. That's a whole lot of positions. We had positive $21,000 on the close yesterday. I got up at 1 a.m. this morning. That's the beginning of the pre-market. And in the pre-market, uh, this portfolio was up over $50,000. By the open this morning, and I am putting a screenshot of this on the website, this $50,000 had dropped to $40,000. And by the time we got out of it, that was down to 14,000. So we saw a drop from 50,000 to $14,000 when we actually closed the trades out. That hurts. Those whack-a-mole guys were really beating up on our portfolio this morning, no question about it. But we took a lot of money out of the market yesterday, and if I said 14,000, I meant 15,000. 15,000 is nevertheless nothing to sneeze about, and we did take that out. We got into only 6 new positions, 3 positive, 3 negative, and we're negative $358 going into tomorrow. So not much to write home about there. Um, I am going to tell you something kind of interesting. I'm uh, doing something different this month that I haven't done in the past. I'm actually testing the new May portfolio for a week ahead of time in real time. I'm not trading full exposure with that, but I am testing it. And yesterday I told you that the May portfolio and the April portfolio that we're actually trading is were about equal. And I speculated that maybe there was no difference in those portfolios. Hey, the difference became very apparent today, comparing the May portfolio with the April portfolio. Today, the May portfolio closed up $27,000 in open trade positions. It traded, um, let's see, it took five positions, all positive, no negatives, and up $27,000. And I'm going to show you the big trade in that I actually took in real time in just a second. So let's look at 3 of the stocks of the April portfolio and 1 in the May portfolio. So the first one here was the real heartbreaker. Yeah, oh, what did I click the wrong thing? Here we go. This is MVIS, which is Microvision Incorporated. I showed you this yesterday. On Friday, we had bought this thing, and it gapped way up yesterday, and we got out of this with $26,000 plus yesterday in the exit right there. And then we got re-entered. And that re-entry looked like a really great trade also. And this thing um, was up, I think, 12,000. Anyway, on the open this morning, this was up $15,000 on that reentry trade. So at that point, on the open this morning, if we're adding up what we made yesterday with what we thought we were going to make today, we're up over $40,000 in Microvision. Unfortunately, the whack-a-moles really jumped on this stock this morning, and we saw $15,000 shrink down to negative 1,300 when we finally got out today. So that was really very disappointing and disheartening, but you know, it happens, and it happened here. Just happy we got this really good trade yesterday in Microvision. So that was the outlier. It wasn't the re-entry that we got into yesterday. There was any outlier at all. In addition to that, we had two really good trades in the stocks that are the nemesis of the hedge fund managers, and that gives me great satisfaction. Those are AMC Entertainment Holdings Incorporated and GameStop. And I'll show you AMC first. We bought this on the gap yesterday, and it gapped up again this morning, and we got out there pretty darn close to the high. Nice exit in AMC, and we took $4,200 out of AMC. And then in GameStop, we bought this yesterday on a pop there. We got in about $160 on it. Got out at about $180 this morning, and we took $7,800 out of GameStop. And I love taking money out of those stocks because I do believe we're sucking it out of the hedge fund managers' greedy paws when we do that. Now, as I said, I am comparing the April portfolio with the May portfolio in real-time trading, and I'm not trading this in at the full exposure that I'm trading the other stocks, but this I am showing you VXRT, which is Vaxart, and I bought this yesterday, but last hour, 720 shares, but now I'm adjusting that to the number of shares I'd be trading if I was trading it at full exposure, so I can compare it to what we will be doing with it starting in May. And this stock just exploded today. This is an outlier. It did pull back quite a bit, but even with that pullback, I am up $21,000 if I had the full exposure in Vaxart. And Vaxart is in the May portfolio. I will be releasing that this weekend, and please don't write me and ask me to release it now, because I could conceivably, not likely, but change my mind about something between now and next weekend. Vaxart is a company that is experimenting with oral vaccines, so you can imagine that there's a lot of interest in this company right now. Anyway, just a sneak preview of what to expect with the May portfolio, which I will release next weekend. That's the way it went. This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Wednesday.